Hi viewers, Samarnath's Small Steps Trader channel. So today we start currency analysis with money mantra. This. Money does not change people; it unmasks them. Very good, good. Okay. So we start with currency spotted, which is RBI reference rate. According to the RBI reference rate, the USD is 83 rupees 9 paise, GBP 105 rupees 74 paise, Euro 90 rupees 43 paise, Yen 57 rupees 21 paise. So currency picture, as usual, we see all this detailing in charts. So first we would say USD INR. So USD INR had a gap down of 6 paise, but immediately it started recovered. Within 15 minutes, it recovered that gap down. Again, it went another 3 paise. Then after that, it is completely in the sideways. So if you see at one point of time, it gradually increased, and from the low, it came up to 11 paise. Then again from the high it has come down to 5 paise and closed with just 1 paise positively. So for intraday players there is no much volatility. The entry and exit are very narrow, so it would be best to not take any entries for the intraday on USD INR. For positional traders, so it is still in the if you see from this is the uptrend, but since some pre-session it is in sideways move. So we keep on saying 83.10 is the immediate support. So the resistance is 83.20. So it has to break for the next movement in the upper side 83.20. Else it has to break in the downside 83.10. It has to break up. So if that happens, we can say it is in the downtrend starts. So presently we cannot see the trend. It is it's in the sideways movement. Next JPY INR. So JPY at the beginning and the opening itself 5 paise it has a gap up. From the gap up it's keep on go on the upper side only. There is no sign of the negative side. So from this previous close, if you see it is at a point it has 38 paise it was in the upper side. So it gave the hope that it will recover the yesterday's loss. Yesterday it around more than 60 paise it was closed at the minus. So it given we think that it has covered the yesterday's loss, but it didn't sustain that. It started coming down from the high. It has come down 20 paise. It has come down minus 20 paise. Then completely then in the sideways, the end to end basis it just 22 paise. It closed positively. So if you see the positional chart, see from the here it is completely in the downtrend only. So this we can say a channel in the downside channel. So today exactly in the channel resistance we can say, but the next session it has to decisively close in the upper side. If it doesn't happen, it again comes to the channel, downtrend will continue. That we have to see in the subsequent days. GPP almost it had a flat opening from the yesterday's close. It has gone just a 10 paise in the highest. From then on, it is completely in the downside only. So for the intraday traders, this is the entry point. If somebody took the entry at here, so after the immediate entry, they would take the stop loss as Viva stop loss. But if you see, it is very till this point, it's a very good downside only. But this candle and the next candle trigger the stop loss. So usually we will have the VWAP as the stop loss. So this if you see, so this is no loss no gain kind of entry and exit you can say here. So again in the same candle, if someone took the entry again here, that is a good entry. So after that it didn't trigger this much. So if you see it is completely came down 12 paise. So here it's showing as an engulfing line. So if anybody took entry here, this would be the exit point. So no need to wait for the price hitting the EMA channel or VWAP. So after this thing, as per the price action, if they would exited here, 12 paise would be the profit, which is 120 rupees per lot. So after that, there is no much movement. It was in the sideways. Again, it touched the same low. From there, see, it is a good recovery. You can see around 20 paise this move, upside movement. But here this was a fake. There was a data for a euro currency, but still this is in the eurozone. It reflected in GPP also. See, there is after this fund, it's 17 month it's down. So the next entry would be here, and exit is this. If I made an entry here, 17 paise would be out in this. So here some 12 paise, here some 17 paise. It's close together 30 paise, we can see. It's a very good return. So for intraday players, there was a good two opportunities has come. For positional traders, yesterday I told it has to close in the positively. Otherwise, if coming into the channel, it may be the sideways movement. It will be the fake breakout this point. I said. So as I said, it has came inside the channel, close come inside the channel. So it is again in the sideways only, we can say. Again, it has to break down this support, channel support. So we cannot say it is in the direction, we can say it is in the sideways only. The same thing indicator also saying both the DMA are about 20, and very narrowly it is traveling. Euro almost as a flat opening. From there it is 8 point, it has come down, came up positively. So after this decisive candle, so it says that there are a lot of chances go down. So as per the price action, if somebody took the entry here, it is a very good closer entry, and this would be the stop loss if somebody put. It's a very good chance for today. But according to the indicator, if anybody wanted to make entry, only this point is the entry point for short entry. So the exit is if we keep the stop loss as the Viva, the closing is the exit actually. So this would be the entry 48, 1948, and exit is 1934, around 13 paise per lot, which is 130 rupees per lot. So at closed basis, 15 paise it's closed negatively. So since couple of days we extended this form as a channel. Earlier it was in sideways, but sorry, it was in the channel only travel. My last session I told it made a breakdown, but again came closer to the channel. So if come inside the channel, the trend may be continue as said, but it didn't happen. It is a very good gap down and closed similarly. So now it is in the downtrend only. So around 230 for euro, there was a CPI data. As expected, it is came actual and forecast. So after 230, this fake upside, and again it again in the downside. US dollar index. So still this dollar index in decent upside only. If you see this portion, it forming as like a triangle. If it breaks in the upper side, there will be a good upper side movement. Else there will be a downside. So the chances would be, if you see in the weekly chart, it is in the channel resistance. So we have to wait for one or two sessions. If Monday it decisively closes above this, there are a lot of chances. The next resistance is 106. So after that, the next resistance we can say 108. So if it breaks decisively upper side, definitely it will go 106. If this go 106, our USD INR will go more than 83.50. If this go 108, definitely it will touch 84 all time high, we can say. So this is all about this currency. This is videos for learning purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this video. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.